All right, so I've had this Keurig for a while now, and I figured I'd do a quick review on it. But this is the reason I got it is because instead of going to the store and constantly getting, you know, coffee that's more expensive and everything, this I can make at home pretty quick. What's cool about it is that the second you turn it on, it already starts adding water and heating the water up for you. Here you got the reservoir tank, and then it's got a little filter at the bottom also, so it filters your water as it goes into the system and everything and starts to heat it up. It's got your different sizes. Let's see, the top one here is, so it starts off with 4 ounces, then 6 ounces, then 8, 10, and then your big travel mug, 12 ounces. And then it also has an ice feature. So right now, what I'm gonna show you is my wife actually wants some iced coffee, so I got the Keurig iced coffee cup, which is the 16 ounces. So then I can show you how the system works. But as the water goes and heats up, I wanted to also show you this feature where when you got it, you can automatically turn it off pretty much, so it doesn't constantly just keep having the water hot. So you would go through the settings, and oh yeah, you can also change your temperature of water if you want. But my key thing is I like the auto on and off feature. So with this, when it's got the sun mode, basically it's talking about the day where it'll automatically turn off for you. And at the same time, it's got a night version where you can have that automatically turn off only at night. So you can, if you wanted to, you could have it constantly on throughout the day, and then once it becomes later in the day, it'll go into night mode and then just start turning off automatically. So since I've been talking this whole time now, the water is already ready to go, and then we'll show you. So you get any type of regular K-cup size coffee that you want. There's multiple companies out there that get it. So you get your K-cup, slide it right up on in there, give it a little push, see, and now you got your lights all lighting up of what you want to select basically. So since I'm making a nice coffee, we'll hit the ice, and the water will start going through, doing its whole system. So this is live, and there you go. The water is already dripping through. And like I said, this, when you hit the ice feature, it's automatically for the 16-ounce cup. And there you go. It's already brewing, and it's already going in, melting it out. It's getting perfect for it. But overall, definitely recommend this, especially if you're a person that wants to be quick. You know, just forget about it while you're getting ready in the day. Turn that thing on, slap your cup, and you're good to go.